The chemical manufacturing industry operates in a fast-paced and highly regulated environment where precision, safety, quality, and operational efficiency are essential. From raw material procurement to production, quality testing, inventory management, packaging, and distribution, every process must be carefully planned and monitored. PMTechERP is a comprehensive manufacturing ERP solution designed specifically to help chemical manufacturers streamline operations, improve productivity, and maintain complete control across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. PMTechERP integrates procurement, production planning, inventory management, quality control, warehouse operations, finance, sales, and supply chain management into a single intelligent platform. This provides real-time visibility across every department, enabling manufacturers to make faster, data-driven decisions while improving collaboration and reducing manual processes. The solution supports formula and recipe management, bill of materials, batch manufacturing, production scheduling, work order management, material requirement planning, and real-time shop floor monitoring. These capabilities help optimize production, reduce material wastage, improve resource utilization, and ensure consistent product quality throughout the manufacturing process. Quality and compliance are at the core of chemical manufacturing. PMTechERP offers complete batch and lot traceability, quality inspections, laboratory testing records, non-conformance management, audit trails, document control, and regulatory reporting. These features help manufacturers comply with industry standards while maintaining product consistency and customer confidence. Advanced inventory and warehouse management ensure accurate stock levels, efficient storage, batch-wise inventory tracking, expiry monitoring where applicable, and seamless movement of raw materials and finished goods. Integrated procurement and supplier management help maintain a reliable supply chain while minimizing production interruptions. Powerful dashboards, real-time analytics, and business intelligence tools provide complete visibility into production performance, manufacturing costs, inventory levels, machine utilization, and overall business operations.